What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of times people have asked me this question: when do we repot our succulents? Now, unlike other plants or flowering plants, we tend to repot them probably once a year or maybe once in 6 months, depending upon the growth of the plant, or as per the season we tend to repot them. But when it comes to succulents, that is not the case. They don't need that frequent repotting, probably once in 2, 3 or maybe even 4 years. Again, depending upon the type of succulent you have and how large the pot is. Now, this is my Graptovaria Fred Ives. It has been in this pot for almost 3 years. Today, while I was just checking around, I realized that it is time to repot my Graptovaria Fred Ives. Now, you must be wondering, how did I come to that conclusion? So when I lifted the pot, I noticed all of this. Let me tilt the pot and you will be able to see there is an entire carpet like growth of roots which are coming out of the drain hole. So this indicates that the succulent is ready for a repotting. Now, there are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind before you repot any succulent. Ensure that the soil is completely bone dry. Your environment is not too extreme, meaning it's not too hot, not too cold. Again, depends if you are from a place wherein your succulents go dormant, so please don't do any repotting. You can do this in the beginning of the growing season. For example, Graptovarias tend to get into their growing season during the winters, so probably September is going to be an ideal time for people who belong to an environment wherein the climate can get really cold. But if you are growing them indoor, it's not much of an issue. You can repot them anytime. My environment is not that extreme, so right now it's just 30 degrees Celsius and it is comfortable for most of my succulents, so I can do a repotting. The temperatures in my city don't rise that high wherein the succulents are uncomfortable. They still continue to grow or flower. So I will be repotting this today. I have another pot next to me. I don't want a very large pot. I'm okay because I don't like really large succulents. I prefer them to be small and compact. So I think this pot is going to turn out to be quite good for our succulent. So I have taken out the first one and you can see the root formation. They are so congested and compact. This was closer to the pot edge or the wall, so you can see they have smashed against the wall in order to put out more roots. So we're just going to place, I'm not going to disturb the root ball, I'm just going to place it as it is, because my soil mix in the other pot was also, my soil mix is very loose, porous, so I don't have to be worried. So I'm just going to keep it like this and then start filling up our soil mix, which again is the same soil mix, 80% aquarium or river sand and 20% of filtered garden soil. As you can see, nice and gritty soil mix that is going to work out really well. They will be able to stretch their roots in this a little bit wider pot. So guys, now we are done with the repotting. We have added the soil. I'm going to place it back again in morning direct sunlight, and I won't be watering it right away. I will wait for at least 4 or 5 days and then go ahead and do a complete watering. So as you can see, it is pretty simple. This pot will give enough space for the roots to stretch out and grow. So that's about it. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.